and welcome to the channel. My name's Steven. Today on DWDIY, and we're going to try to waterproof or kind of water repellent the GoPro lenses. It's something when you put it in the pool, it comes up and you get those little spots everywhere. So we're going to try it. We're going to use the Rain-X water repellent. We're going to see how this goes. I got the GoPro here ready to go, some water, and some kids. Alright, first thing we're going to try is to put the GoPro cleaned up in here to see what it's like untreated. So we're gonna dip it in here. Dip it in there. I don't know if you could tell, that screen protector does a really nice job though. But see those little spots on there? Those are the little spots that ruin your shot. We're gonna try to fix that. Alright, one of the first things you're going to want to do is get yourself a microfiber cloth. Just kind of clean it up, make sure it's dry. Nothing on there. Now the directions of this Rain-X say that to spray it on to the towel, wipe it on, let it haze up, then wipe it off, and it should be good. Things I've seen, it works for about 7 or 8 different uses in the water, so hopefully it'll do a little better. Alright, so what we're going to do is turn it on to the on setting. Fold this up, get a little corner, spray some on there, and it just got everywhere. I'm just gonna wipe it on, make sure we get all the spots covered and coated. Alright, we'll let that dry up for a minute and see if it hazes up. Alright, I don't know if it's hazed up or not, but there's definitely a film on there, so we're gonna try to polish it off and see if it actually works. Just take your microfiber cloth, a lot cleaner. That's a good sign, but we'll see if it puts the film on there. Let's give her a little test. Alright, let's give it a test sear, do some splashes. I don't know if that worked at all. Not at all. It's actually worse. Ah! Let me retry it. Maybe we did something wrong. Alright, we're going to try this again. I'm going to use a different cloth. Maybe that's what it is. This is a Magic Viper. It came with one of my lens kits. So let's see if maybe the microfiber was sucking up too much of the repellent. But we'll give that a couple minutes and then we'll try it again. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. There's a slight haze on there. I'll just buff it out. We're gonna try letting it dry again. Let's see if that helps any better. Stuff works pretty good on the car windows. I don't know why it's not working on this. So I don't know, we'll see. Alright, be back in a second. Alright, it's been, let me kill this fan here. It's been a minute or two. Let's see if it's any better. Alright, here we go. I don't know. I don't know if it's better. I still get the spots, so I would say that's a no-go. Leave a comment down below if you know a better way to do this. If I'm using, if this stuff's the wrong stuff. I don't know. Thought it was the same as the little bottle, but just sprayed instead of dripped on. So if you guys have a better way to do this, leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys have a better way to do this in the comments below. Like always, smash that like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Till next time, this is DWDIYing, and I'm out.